You just need to keep on practicing and you will become an excellent speaker. So, Sanskriti,
Yes, sir.
now we have a tough but challenging topic. Have you seen it?
What, sir?
For this session, we have a very challenging topic, but I am sure you will do well. Imagine you have to imagine yourself to be a news reporter of a TV channel.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so think up some bright ideas. So first you try reporting some good news.
Okay, sir. So, sir, I have to tell that imagination.
You have to report some good news.
Okay, sir.
Generally, we keep hearing bad news, sad news, and disturbing news. But for once, you have to report a good news, something which is good.
Okay, sir. So the good news in today's time can be that the Chandrayaan that has been launched recently has been successfully reached on the moon, and we are successful in that mission.
Now you have to report a breaking news.
Breaking news.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. So breaking news can be that that suddenly a policy in the constitution or the rule in constitution has changed. Any rule.
Okay. And what is the political news for today?
Political news can be uh, political news. Let me try. Political news can be that our prime minister is going to is planning to visit another country to meet a president of another country to build up the
Okay.
relation.
Yes, that's good. And now we can hear some international news.
Okay. Um, International news can be that a a foreign country has invented something new.
Okay. And what's there in the sports section?
Sports section. Sports section can be that
Who won the Wimbledon recently?
I don't have that idea. Sir.
A new guy is a Spaniard, Alcaraz. He defeated Djokovic at Wimbledon in 5 thrilling sets. And what is the weather report?
Which report, sir?
Weather report.
Okay, weather report can be that the monsoon season has been over and again it's a high temperature season started again, and the days are going very much hotter than before.
Has the water started receding? Has, have the rivers started receding?
Yes, actually, it's happening since last 2 days.
So, and what about entertainment?
Okay, entertainment news can be that few films are about to launch. There is a Alia Bhatt and Ranveer Singh's movie that is about to launch in the theaters on 28th July. Uh, Certain movies are there.
What new movies are coming?
So new movies are Rocky and Rani, first of all. Second is Satya Prem Ki Katha. Yes, these two movies I know.
Okay. So you know what is meant by headline?
Yes, sir. Headline means the main line that describes the content coming next.
And
You
it
get it?
is printed in large letters.
Yes.
The title of a story, and that is printed in large letters. And what more is there? What is meant by sensational news?
Sensational news means that which creates a very much sensation in you after hearing that news.
That's right. And juicy,
Juicy means
juicy.
a news that is filled with so much of information.
Yeah, and it is a little personal and shocking.
Okay.
Personal about um, something about the personal life of a well-known person.
Okay.
And what is a hearsay?
What, sir?
What is hearsay? Hearsay.
I don't know that.
It is information that you have heard only, but you're not sure whether it is true or not.
Means a kind of grapevine.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
What is an eye opener?
Eye opener means a news that gives you some sort of information which breaks your belief about to see a person or a thing or a fact in a certain way, and it completely changes your mindset. It brings
That's
out the
right.
reality.
Yes. And what is a bulletin?
What's sir?
Bulletin.
Bulletin.
Bulletin uh, with regard television. What is a
Okay.
bulletin?
Okay. Bulletin means a piece of means it is a part of news in which 50 to 100 news main informations are telecasted in a certain amount of time. For example, 1 minute or 2 minutes or 5 minutes.
Yeah, it is just a one-line statement of a news. Okay, and then there's some other news that is also said in just one or two lines. So it covers up a lot of topics. What is expose?
Expose means
Expose.
to
Yes,
expose means to bring out the information that was secret, and now everybody knows that, and
yes,
related to some person or something like that.
that's right. And what is a debate?
Debate means to discuss about a topic in opposite, either favor and against.
Yeah. What is the meaning of caution?
Caution.
Yes.
Okay. Caution means caution means that something happening and it can result to a very harmful situation, and therefore you should take some precautions. Means you have to be warned enough.
And what is suppress?
Suppress means to dominate something and to deprive, and by depriving the other one.
That's right. I'm quite amazed by your understanding, because many of the learners who come here, when I ask them the meaning, they also search the internet or Clapingo and then recite from there. But you didn't do that, and that is very good.
Okay. Thank you.
So you know a lot, you know almost everything. You just need to keep on practicing, and you will become an excellent speaker and debater, because you have knowledge of many things.
Thank you, sir.
I don't know how further can there be any improvement. Yes, I noticed that you pronounce the O correctly in a word like importance, important. You
Okay,
must
sir.
pronounce round it off. Important. Don't make it into U or A.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, make a note of this. What else? There's one more minute. You tell me more.
Sir, about what? Sir, may I please know that are you an English professor in some university or some college?
If someone wants to,
Sir, I want to know that were you an English teacher in any university or college? Have you done PhD kind of things in English?
no, I have not done PhD in English. I have done masters.
Okay.
Yeah, but
Okay,
I have
sir.
written. I
Okay,
have written a lot.
okay. So,
Yeah,
sir,
I
are
have.
you a writer?
Yeah,
Oh, that's nice.
I have written 9 books so far on various genres. I have
Wow.
written fiction, non-fiction. One book is on memoirs, my personal, some years of my life, and then I've written on philosophy, and not exactly philosophy, but spiritualism.
Sir, can you please name that book? Philosophical book?
I'll tell you one book which you can find on internet. It is it's a collection of 50 short stories.
Okay, okay.
50 short stories. And the title of the book is A String of Broken Dreams.
Okay, sir.
A String of Broken Dreams by Syed Rizwan. And you can search for it on pothi.com on internet.
Okay, sir.
Pothi.com, POTHI.com.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Very much
See you
pleased to
then.
talk to you, sir. I am obliged. I am obliged to talk to a writer.
You read that book.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You keep coming for these sessions, and we'll talk more.
Okay, sir. Thank
Okay,
you.
then. Bye bye. There are 2 more sessions to
Yes, sir.